Karnataka Golf Association. Is it the best golf course in India? Is it the jewel of India golf? Well, the Karnataka Golf Association, KGA golf course, is located in the vibrant city of Bengaluru. It's not just a golf course, it's a landmark in the world's Indian golf. Established in 1973, KGA has become one of the most prestigious and celebrated golf courses in the country, known for its expertise and world-class facility with rich history sprinkled throughout it. Now, this championship level course spans over 7,200 yards. The KGA golf course is a par 72. That's a masterpiece designed to challenge and experience golfers from all levels. Now, it features the championship level course that we're here about, it a preferred venue for hosting major events in India. The course was built by international standards with beautiful greens, fairways, and water hazards to test all different skilled golfers, mostly professionals. One of the outstanding features of this course is the heavy water layout, which adds both beauty and complexity to the game. The water bodies include scenic lakes and tricky ponds that are strategically placed around the course. The 17th hole often is regarded as the signature hole. It is because of the famous stunning lake that sits on it. Golfers must be careful to navigate their shots to avoid the water, making it a thrilling experience for golfers and spectators of all. The hub for international tournaments takes place here. It's firmly established itself as the premier destination for professional golf in India. Over the years, it's hosted some major events within India, including the Hero Indian Open as part of the Asian Tour and the European Tour. These events attract top golfers from around the globe, just elevating this course on the international stage. Now, the course's world-class facility includes a modern clubhouse, practice facility, high-tech maintenance equipment, making it an ideal venue for tournaments and spectators, players alike, to appreciate and streamline the beauty and nature of this cutting-edge technology. Now, the location is in the heart of the city, making it an oasis of calm. The course is surrounded by lush green fairways and trees and the sound of nature. It's a often beautiful retreat for the hustle and bustle of the city, making it a famous destination for golfers who both want to just seek sports and serenity. The landscaping of the course is very highlighted in itself with natural plants and trees that create a stunning backdrop on every hole, but also the wildlife, the bird life near the lakes, and the cool breeze make every game a little bit memorable. Since the introduction of this course, there's been some cornerstones in Indian golf history. It's developed as a part of the Golf Association's vision to create a top-tier facility that can nurture local talent and attract global attention. Over the years, the course has lived up to this vision, producing some of India's finest golfers and serving as a training ground for young youth. The club often features training programs, academies, coaching facilities, making it an exclusive and inclusive space for golfers from all skill levels and ages. Beginners, juniors can find themselves being inspired to play at this facility. One of the reasons it's so popular is because it maintains its maintenance. The course is re-owned from the prestigious location throughout the years, and the smooth grass is perfectly trimmed every day, and every aspect of the course is kept to tip-top shape. This is a top-tier professional event every time they put on something. Now, the golf course is much more than just a place to play. It's a symbol for excellence, professional for golf. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or an amateur just loving the game or a fan of rich Indian golf history, this course has everything for you. Over the past 50 years, KGA has been a shining example of what golf courses should be. A challenging yet enjoyable playing field, training ground for the next generation of golfers, and a beautiful nature surrounding it. It stands as a testament for the position of the city's key hub for golf in India, and it is a must visit for anyone that is passionate about the game. Throughout the years, its unforgettable layout and commitment to excellence, KGA continues to inspire golfers and elevate the game of golf in India to another level. It's not just a golf course, it's a legacy that grows here with every round. Hopefully, the Professor can get out here and play this course in the near future. If you played it or you know someone that has, let us know down in the comment section. We'd love to learn, golf, and grow. Of course, it's private, but you never know. You could sneak something out there. That's it for this episode. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Professor. And if you know any members, let us know down in the comment section. Could be helpful on our trip to India.